welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really beautiful day. I am so freaking excited for today's video. I'm excited for every single video, but this video especially, I'm very excited. So if you don't know, Ulta recently collabed with Harry Potter and they came out with a whole collection of makeup. They're coming out with another collection of body lotions and like stuff that's like not makeup related, but they came out with the first half, which is makeup related, and I have all of it here right now, and I'm so excited to review it because I am a huge Harry Potter fan. I've read all the books multiple times over, and I've seen all the movies, and I've been to like the amusement park, I've been to the tours. I'm obsessed. I have a wand. Like, there's weird things are happening with Harry Potter in my life right now. But that's what we're gonna do today. I'm super excited. I am wearing a sweater. We're gonna be cozy because I feel like we're gonna be in like one of the common rooms, and like we're gonna just cozy up and play with makeup, which is literally all I wanna do every single day. So there is a lot of stuff in this collection. Super excited to jump in and try it. And yeah, so before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the bell so you guys stay notified for when I upload. I upload every Monday and Friday, and we're just gonna hop right into today's video and let's try this stuff out. Okay guys, so I did my brows already and I primed my lids with a little bit of eyeshadow primer. I used a little bit too much. But first things first, before we get into the makeup, I did end up getting, I don't know why they released this first. They did end up putting out some scrunchies, which are so freaking cute. So you get 4 scrunchies and you get like 1 for each house, which is pretty much how this collection is broken down. So, 1 for Hufflepuff, 1 for Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin. So I'm gonna put my hair up because if you watch my channel, you know my hair annoys the crap out of me. So you get 2 different types. You get like a velvet one, and then you get one that has like these little like things on the back, which I think is adorable. I'm gonna use the Gryffindor one because I really like this color and it's velvet and it looks really nice, and I feel like it matches my sweater the best. You can never have enough scrunchies, and I really like the velvet scrunchies. They're really nice because they don't slide out of my hair. I feel like a 90s like college student right now, and I love that vibe. So let's get the makeup to match that. But this is really cute. I like it. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. I'm super excited about it. Anyway, let's jump into the biggest item in this collection, which is this. So this is called the Vault, and this is the Hogwarts Houses eyeshadow palette Vault. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 for each house. You have a Gryffindor, a Hufflepuff, a Ravenclaw, and a Slytherin one. So I really like the packaging. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer so you can see, but like inlaid with like the gold, it's so pretty. This one's a Hufflepuff one. It's just so cute and really nice. And then on the inside it says dedication, loyalty, and patience, which is the qualities of a Hufflepuff. And then you have the palettes, which is really nice. So I'm gonna take off the plastic really quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the inside of the Hufflepuff one with the plastic off. So this is what this one looks like. The color stories aren't as exciting as I thought they would be, but I'm gonna show you each of the palettes so you can see like the inlay in the front. Like this one looks so cool. So this one says ambition, pride, and cunning, and then it says the same thing up on the top, and this is what that one looks like. I really like this one. I really like that. Those with greens in there. And then you have Gryffindor. This one's so cute. Really love the lion on the front. It looks so nice. And the traits of the Gryffindor one are courage, determination, and bravery. And it says the same thing in here in like different text, and that is what that one looks like. I would have wanted to see a little bit more gold, but this one's like definitely more reds, which I like. And then last one we have the Ravenclaw, which has the raven. This one and the Hufflepuff one has the Hogwarts in the background. I don't know if you can see that, but it's in there. And then the traits of this one are learning, wit, and wisdom. And this one, that's what that one looks like. Really cute blues and browns. Also, there is a set of brushes that comes in this collection, which the brushes are so well done. I can't even begin to tell you how well done they are. So like, that's what they look like. You get a powder brush, a blush brush, a blending brush, and like a placement brush. So each of them are based on the Deathly Hallows. So the powder brush, it's really nice and soft, just as Deathly Hallows. I just want to show you this part because it looks like there's like smoke in it, like from the movies when they were like apparate or disapparate. And this feels like really nice and soft. The blush brush says is the cloak, which is the square. And the blending brush is the stone. That's what that looks like. Really nice and fluffy. And then the wand is this brush. Really cute. To set everything into place, I'm gonna use the shade Sherbet in the Hufflepuff palette. This one right here, just to set my primer. I'm going to start with the shade Bark in the Ravenclaw palette. It's like a really nice neutral brown that I'm gonna use. I definitely came off like very cool tone, almost like a gray on my eyes more than a brown. That could just be my eye primer. That's really weird. Okay, so next, because that is like very cool tone on my lid, I'm gonna go ahead with the shade Herb. Freaking love the name of that, in the Slytherin palette. Time to blend. Okay guys, so we are starting over. I did not like the way that was coming out. That's really freaking weird. No. So I just reprimed. I used a lot less like eyeshadow primer, so it's not as sticky, and then I set it again. And I don't know what I'm gonna do now, so that's great. Okay guys, so 2 attempts later, and here we are. So I literally just took the shade in the Slytherin palette, which is called Herb. This one literally put it all over my lid, and I cut the crease. Okay guys, so we are finally done. I ended up taking the shade Lumos in the Hufflepuff palette, which is this one right here. It's really pretty like white shimmery shade. And then I just put like a matte like neutral shade on it so it wasn't so pearly. But that was really, really difficult. I do not like these palettes. I think that they are so freaking cute. The packaging is beautiful, but like I don't think that they really work that well. I don't like the color story, but I ended up getting it to someplace that I'm okay with. I'm not exactly the most happy with it. I'm definitely going to put on some lashes and some liner. I've used eyeshadow from Ulta before, and it definitely was not like this chalky. Like these shadows are so chalky and they have so much fallout, so I'm not a fan, but I think I finally got it to a place where I'm somewhat happy. So let me go and put on some eyeliner, lashes, out the rest of my makeup, and then we will come back for the lip products that I got. Hang tight for a second, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the rest of my makeup is done. I do want to say that I like these 2 brushes, and these are definitely worth the purchase. I would definitely get these brushes. They're really, really nice if you like synthetic brushes. But yeah, these are really nice, and I feel like if you're a Harry Potter fan, you will really appreciate like the detailing that went into these. So I really like those. But let's get into the lip products today. So I have 3 lip products that we're going to talk about today. So I have, the first one is this Harry Potter matte lip crayon, and the packaging is really, really cute. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a stag or a deer on it, and it's really, really cute. And that is what the color looks like. It's actually not too pigmented on my hand, but we're gonna see what it looks like on the lips. Then I have a gloss, which this is the Platform 9 3/4 Hogwarts Express lip gloss. And this is really cute. I like the packaging. You have like stars here, and then you have like a 9 1/2 3/4 in gold. And I really like the color. You get like a really big doe foot applicator. Then you also have, this is the Bewitching lip balm. So this like is a lip balm that like changes with the pH in your lips. But this is what it looks like. It's like orange and it has like sparkles in it. So I'm gonna pop it on really quick. It does leave your lips like a lip balm, and then you get like a nice like rosy color. And it kind of like stains your lips, so I really like that. I feel like my lips really quick. I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in 951, like I always freaking do. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the matte lip crayon. Definitely it's not that pigmented. I had to go over a bunch of times to be able to build it up to this color. And it feels very like balmy and not so much like a matte lip crayon, but it looks good. I definitely use that. I like the color. It does not go with our look today, but that's okay. I'm gonna pop some gloss on top of it. I really like the gloss as well. It looks really, really nice. Very juicy lips today. Okay guys, so the makeup is complete. I had a really hard time with this one. The eyeshadow was definitely very, very chalky. I love the packaging. They killed it on the freaking packaging, but the product itself was not what I expected. I'm pretty disappointed on that. I don't like the color stories. They weren't like that great. The shimmers on these palettes are freaking phenomenal. They're very, very like blinding, and that's great, but the mattes were just like terrible. Like when I have to start over a look like 3 times, like you know that the product isn't that good. Even if your skills aren't that good, like the product isn't doing what you want it to do. But we ended up getting somewhere. I hate the way that eyes look. I definitely need to use more green in my everyday makeup because I really like it, but definitely not what I was trying to achieve when I started the video, but I think it looks good. And I feel very Slytherin right now, which is definitely very cool. The lip products were all freaking really nice. I'll definitely use all of them. I really like them. The only thing that just like didn't do it for me was the palettes, the brushes as well. I will use those again. Pretty good. Let me know if you want to see the other products that they're coming out with. So there's like a second half, which are like body lotions and like a bunch of stuff. So let me know down below if you want to see me review that stuff, which hopefully will be coming out soon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for like geeking out with me on Harry Potter because I'm obsessed with Harry Potter. But like I literally, like this year my Christmas tree was inspired by Harry Potter. Like I'm psychotic. Anyway, I hope you guys have a really good week, and I hope that you are staying safe out there, and I will see ya in my next video. Bye guys!